How to reset your Hisense TV, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of resetting your Hisense TV. If your TV isn't behaving as it should, resetting it can often solve the issue. Resetting a Hisense TV is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started.
What is a reset?
Resetting your Hisense TV returns the TV to its original factory settings. This means that any changes you've made to the TV's settings will be wiped out. It's a useful step if your TV isn't working properly or if you want to erase your personal preferences. Keep in mind that resetting your TV doesn't fix hardware issues.
When should you reset your Hisense TV?
It's generally a good idea to reset your Hisense TV if it's behaving unusually or if there's a persistent problem that simpler troubleshooting steps haven't resolved. Some examples might include the TV freezing, the remote not working, or problems with the TV's sound or picture quality.
How to reset your Hisense TV.
Here are the steps you'll need to follow to reset your Hisense TV. 1. Power on your Hisense TV. 2. Press the menu button on your remote control. 3. Navigate to Settings. 4. Choose System. 5. Scroll down to the Reset or Restore Factory Default option and select it. Note: on some Hisense TV models, you may need to enter a PIN at this point. If you haven't set a custom PIN, the default is usually 0000.
How long do I need to press the reset button?
In most cases, you won't physically press a reset button on your Hisense TV as the reset function is usually found within the TV's settings menu, as we explained in the previous section. However, if your Hisense TV does have a physical reset button, typically located at the back or the bottom of the TV, you would need to press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. After releasing it, the TV should restart or show some signs of a reset. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Hisense TV. Remember, while this can solve many issues, it won't fix hardware problems. If you've reset your TV and it's still not working properly, you may need to contact Hisense's customer support for further help. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.